Man in Jamaica not them best TV and guess what I go on 9 news this morning right now a schoolboy get hold with a big matic I go to school in him bag. Yeah man. One of them school there. You know which school him go to? Holy Trinity. Yeah man down at Holy Trinity him I go figure shoot out the place but police hold him guys. So right now I'm in a police custody, my identity has been withheld. Yeah man, upholding the investigation. And give thanks to the police them again and our people watch ya. And that matic them find, in a bus I go. Where them I go. Man take a beer them I go in the bus and people. Early this morning police intercept a bus and take off a passenger with a big fat matic. Yeah man. I go down in a man take a beer there. And if I war I'm gonna fight in the country guys. I not to speculate to but we have left investigation for the police. So tell me what I go in the comment section. So people here who are going right now, police are see this brother what them call him Quillman. Yeah, then another name for him is known as Quillman wanted for shooting. Yeah man, and rape and assault. He rape a little girl, like a 13-year-old, and them up on the run, so police are look us. So guys, if you never see Quillman, who know him, yeah man, make the police them know what go on. You see what go on. Yeah man, cause them think about Quillman are going with an arm, rape, murder, shooting, a dangerous youth, alkaline, will I say. An unidentified body of a woman was found over by Clarendon Sandy Bay district. Yeah man, woman found in a bush there. We don't know yet. So right now people them are trying to find out how So people if you're missing a loved one from over Sandy Bay and can't find her, check in with the police them and see what going on. Right now they are seeking Paul, O.C. Killy, O.C. Quick Kill. Yeah man. Right now I'm wanted in the morning for murder, rape, and assault and burglary. So guys, if you want to see him, I don't have a picture of him yet. But as we get some picture, I'll make you know. So guys, anybody who know him on the lookout, stay up on the lookout.
Well, I'm an immigration. Okay, you're a citizen in the United States?
Do you have a warrant?
Yes, you have a warrant. Okay, hold it up. I don't need a warrant. I don't need a warrant. Alright. I'm not going to say this. Do you speak Spanish from immigration? No. No. Alright, sir. You're being saying you have the right to remain silent. You don't have to answer any other questions. What country are you from? Documents, identification.
Sir, how are you feeling right now? Can I ask your reaction?
No question.
No question. What country are you from, sir?
Don't answer any questions, alright? Stay as calm as you can.
Sir, are you a U.S. citizen?
This guy is not your friend.
Let me know if you feel it's a media because
What country are you from? How do you feel about being deported?
I don't have to answer any questions, boss. No questions, media or the officers. Okay?
Sorry, I don't have to answer questions.
Do you have any reaction?
Remember your right to remain silent.
What's the matter?
Police catch schoolgirl with big boy in Brownstown and line them up to walk.
Police line them up, send them down. Pull over and then they're ID man. I'm going to officer. Yeah, officer, I deal with the man now. Oh, bro. When school over, you know, I'm gone around. Wala, leader, follow the leader.